Welcome to the first part of the Silvair Commissioning tutorial. In this video, you will learn how to get around the Silvair Commissioning tools. You will also get familiar with some basic terms and learn how to perform simple tasks preceding the commissioning process. With the web application, you can perform initial commissioning activities remotely before visiting the site. Once completed, you can finalize the process by visiting the site and using the mobile app to add devices to the project and configure them. Let's begin with the web app and the planning stage. Open your web browser and go to platform.silvair.com. Now, you need to sign up for an account and log in. Once logged in to the web application, you are introduced to the My Projects section. This is where you create and manage all of your projects. To start a new project, click Create Project and enter its name. Projects can vary in size, from a single room to an entire building. The next step is adding individual areas that will make up your project. Click Create Area, enter a descriptive name, and upload its floor plan in PNG or JPEG format. You can add any number of areas to your project. To accelerate commissioning, you can share your project with others and let them participate in the process. Click the Collaborators button to send email invitations to all contributors who should be involved. Once you have at least one area assigned to your project, you can start creating lighting zones. A zone is a group of lighting devices that operate together to realize a specific control scenario defined in a selected profile. Devices will be added to the zones later using the mobile application during the on-site implementation phase. At this point, you will only specify control scenarios and the behavior of the lighting system using zones on the floor plan. To create a new zone, click the right mouse button on a relevant location on the floor plan and select Add Zone. Enter the name of your new zone. For smaller rooms, you will need to establish one zone per room. However, a single room can also be divided into several lighting zones. Once you have established several zones, you can link some of them with each other. To enable zone linking, right-click on one of your zones and select Link Zone. You will see a panel where you can add relevant zones to establish desired relationships. The zone linking feature allows occupancy and switch controls to be shared between multiple zones. This means you can control a number of zones with a single wireless switch, or have a single occupancy sensor trigger the luminaires in several zones. To finish zone linking, close the panel by clicking the X in the top right corner. During the planning stage, you can create as many zones as you want. You can also edit or remove existing zones. You will now need to choose a profile for your zones. There are a number of predefined profiles available in the app. You can pick one that corresponds to the general purpose of a given space. You can also customize any of the predefined profiles or create a new one to precisely match your lighting needs. For more information about the lighting zones and their configurations, see the second part of the Silvair Commissioning tutorial. There, we provide additional details about our lighting control profiles, available control scenarios, and possible customization options. Thank you for now.